So in this video, you'll learn how to insert an SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to add extra storage to your A07 by using an SD card, it's fairly simple. What you need for this video is simply a SIM ejector tool that you would have received with your phone. If you don't know what your SIM ejector tool is, you can always choose to just get a pointed pin or even an earring, just something that will fit through the SIM tray. From here, you're then just going to push the pin into its slot on the SIM tray like this. And then once it's inside properly, you're going to push down until the SIM tray pops out to show you it's been ejected. So go ahead and push down. And then once it's been ejected, start by removing the SIM pin like that, or the SIM ejector tool. And then you want to now just drag out the SIM tray. You'll see this pop-up appearing on your screen. Don't worry, it's just confirmation that you've successfully removed the SIM tray. Then from here, you'll have this spot just behind the SIM card spaces for your SD card. So go ahead and insert your SD card. Remember, it's supposed to go face down. So go ahead and just put it in. Then once it's been snapped into place, you then want to just go back and put the SIM tray back in its slot. And then just push in gently, like so. Once it's been put in properly, this pop-up should disappear from your screen, showing that you successfully inserted the SIM tray. From here, after a few moments, the SD card should be read by your device. To confirm that it's been read by your device, just navigate to the Files app, and then you should see under the storage section, SD card, as well as the amount of storage that you've used in your SD card against the total. So when you tap on it, you can even see all the files that are currently on it. And so that is how you can insert an SD card onto your Samsung Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.